Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can synchronize the Shift AI browser on your device like your desktop computer or laptop in 2026. So let us dive into this. So launch the Shift AI browser and then guys you will see that sync or synchronize button in the top right. Currently it is inactive, so that's the state when you downloaded and installed the Shift AI browser, so you will need to enable it by clicking into this button. Then decide how you would like to, or with which account you would like to synchronize. For example, Apple, Google, Microsoft, or an email address. I will go with a Google account of mine, click into it, and then you will need to log in. So I'll see you guys just in a moment. Alright guys, and then what you want to do is click into continue here to give the Shift browser the permission to synchronize with your Google account. And then what you want to do is use or go through that list to see which part of the browser will be used for the syncing, which settings, for example, and then you can confirm that by clicking into this button. And that's it. So to confirm the synchronization, again, click into this button and you will see that it is active. And you can manage it by clicking into this button and here. Sign out of the account you're using for that. Deactivate the syncing here, and that's it guys. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.